An Igbo socio-cultural organization, Igbo Ekunie Initiative, had joined in the call for the restructuring of the country. They stated that the 2014 National Conference report and the 1963 Constitution provides a rich resource base as working documents for a thorough and practical implementation for the restructuring debate. The president of the Igbo Ekunie Initiative, Mazi Tochukwu Ezoke, who described as untrue the stand that the unity of the Nigerian nation is non-negotiable, called on the federal government to take urgent steps at addressing numerous accusations of politics of exclusion. Mr. Ezoke stated that it has become clear and unarguable that the current structure of governance in the country is unsustainable and therefore the need for processes to ensure that there is regional autonomy. They condemned in strong terms the proscription of the indigenous peoples of Biafra and asked for unconditional release of all their detained members.
We call for the immediate withdrawal of all charges against IPOB members and the unconditional release of their detained members in democratic and homogeneous states. Dialogue should be championed above repression, and that is the only way to achieve lasting peace. The call for restructuring has continued to grow louder. By now, it should be obvious that the status is unsustainable, and attempting to return it is best can be described as suicidal. We therefore submit that time has come for the fundamental restructuring of Nigerian state to a structure and system that provides optimal governance that meets the needs of the populace and, importantly, allows its regions to develop at their own pace.
The group also called on the governors of the Southeast region, captains of industry and other private sector investors to liaise and create a regional investment corporation that will be dedicated to the development of Igbo land. Contributing, a founding member of the group and head of legal strategy and mobilization, Mr. Chibo Ozokwelo, re-emphasized the need for Ndi Igbo to come together and develop their homestead.
Journey to rescue Igbo land, is a task that befalls all of us. No, nobody's more Igbo than the other. And if someone like me, I don't even live here, but I still have the zeal and the inspiration to come and see what can be done to help emancipate and empower our people. Why?
The Igbo Ekunie Initiative is an Igbo rights group founded in 2015 with head office in Enugu and as well based in the United Kingdom and other parts of the world. In Oka, this is David Obokwase reporting for ABS News.